As part of our ongoing service to you, this video will discuss the key role of your treating doctor and the importance of up-to-date medical reports. With few exceptions, you are allowed to pick any doctor you like as long as that doctor accepts workers' compensation patients. That generally means that they've applied to the Workers' Compensation Board and have received authorization to treat injured workers. But be sure to check with the doctor to make sure that they are permitted to treat you within that specialty. For instance, under the workers' compensation law, chiropractors are only permitted to treat you for neck and back injuries. It is illegal for these doctors to take money from you in a workers' compensation case. That means you do not pay a copay or a deductible, and do not give them your private health insurance information, because your workers' compensation insurance company should be billed directly. You should be aware though that if you are having an emergency, you are certainly entitled to go to the emergency room for treatment. You don't have to worry about receiving authorization for treatment in an emergency situation. These doctors are familiar with the workers' compensation law and the medical treatment guidelines, so they are aware of how to go about getting treatment for you that has to be authorized by the board or by the insurance company. You should be aware that you will not receive any money and your case will not proceed until the proper medical report is received. We as your attorneys can do nothing with your case unless we receive the proper medical report. And the Workers' Compensation Board will not schedule a hearing or process your case until they receive the appropriate medical report. Once we receive that medical report, we will review it to make sure that it meets the standards of the Workers' Compensation Board and file it with the board and request that a hearing be held on your behalf. Once the case is established and you are awarded benefits, it's crucial for you to understand that you must obtain medical evidence every 90 days. That means you must go to a doctor every 90 days and have those medical reports submitted to the Workers' Compensation Board and the insurance company. Without those medical reports being filed every 90 days, your benefits will stop. In addition, in order for you to make a claim for any kind of permanent injury, any permanent loss of use, you must have the proper medical report that indicates the degree of medical loss that you suffered. If you have any questions about the medical process and the status of your medical reports, you feel free to contact us. In fact, we do give our clients access to their file, and you can tell if we have received the appropriate medical report and the timeliness of it. But again, if you want to contact your legal assistant or your managing attorney, you should do so. Because again, it is very crucial that you produce timely, up-to-date, properly completed medical reports. Thank you.